Do you have security concerns? Do you feel like your personal space is gonna be breached and you want a cheap solution to protect your house and protect your garage or your property? Then I have a solution for you. It's called the Wi-Fi Smart Net Camera. Easy to achieve real-time remote viewing, and it's the cheapest IP camera you can find on the internet. I specifically found this one on eBay, and I found this on the price of $19, and I was very curious to see what this thing is doing. I decided to give it a shot because it's $19. How bad can it be? Well, let's check it out. This is basically a box. This reminds me of the generic boxes that come from Alibaba or AliExpress. You can strap your logo on there and say, you know, Andrew Wi-Fi Smart Net Camera, and then you can sell it on Amazon. But this comes like on a generic box. It says IRCAT, TF storage, wireless, pan tilt, iPhone, Android, two-way intercom, smart cloud, which is very interesting. And let's go ahead and see what's inside. There's a product manual, and it has everything you need to set up your device. Download phone app, insert SD card into the device, download app, rest the device, rest. So it basically says rest the device. So is the device tired? Seems it's sleeping over there. Basically, I think it means reset the device. Please configure patiently for the first time of use. Power on the device, wait for voice prompts, and proceed according to voice prompts. Okay, so I've had some experience before with IP cameras, and they're basically talking to you through the setup, which is going to be very interesting. Let's see the actual product here. This is a yellowish plastic with a plastic cover. Okay, it is flimsy. It is so flimsy that you would think this was fake, but the sensor in front of the camera seems legit. There is 1242 something else, and there's a QR code on the back. User, admin, password, nothing. Okay, there's a base here. Basically, you can attach it to something. Oh, there's more stuff here. There's your power cable, and there is your less than average low quality brick AC/DC adapter. This is basically, I think this is 50 cents if you buy it standalone. Some screws here and a bracket to attach it on the bottom and then on the wall, which is nice, but I don't care at the moment. So let's put this back, put this aside, and let's see the overall product. There's just one 5-volt USB, mini USB on the back, and a reset button. I can see the cables inside. There's some openings, I think they're for the speakers, and there's a TF card slot here. TF, which I think they would mean SD or micro SD. This is the flimsiest camera I've ever, flimsiest thing I've ever called it. Okay, let's not be so judgmental. Okay, it's $19. Let's plug it in and try it. Okay, so moment of truth. There's no lights. There's just one LED inside, a red one that I can see from the TF card slot. Okay, she said something. I think she said system is starting. You scared me. And system is starting. That's what she said. Do I need to bring my smartphone? Ooh! Hello, buddy.
System startup completed. Access point preparing.
Okay, that is so...
Access point ready.
Are you done? Okay, that is so cute. It's basically moving around and it's testing its functionality like 360 and pushing its head up. And she said, system startup complete, which means possibly the camera. I believe it has the diagnostic mode that it's swiveling around and sees if there's something obstructing it, which is really, really cool. And now she said that access point is enabled. So what these IR cameras are basically doing, they're setting up an access point for you to connect your phone directly into the IP camera, and in that way you can inform the camera about your network details, on which Wi-Fi network it should connect, and configure everything else. So without further ado, download app. And there is a QR code here, which is very convenient. So let's go ahead and download the app. Okay, so I'm in my phone right now and I'm going to download V380 Pro by clicking on the QR code. Okay, it's going to redirect me to the App Store. That is really, really convenient. And let's open V380. Okay. Download. This app has 2.8 star ratings out of 706 ratings. What's new? Version 1.2.5. Fix previous bugs and optimize user experience. Okay. I see some comments here. They seem legit. Okay, it downloaded. Let's open it. And okay. Okay, and we're basically on the main menu right now. There is a plus sign and it says please tap plus to add camera. I'm pushing the plus. Wi-Fi smart camera. Yes, please. Please make sure the device has been power on. Okay, has a later animation here. Tap the arrow to continue according to device. Access point established. Okay, access point established, that's what she said. Follow the following procedure. Go to settings on your phone and select wireless LAN. Oh, okay. So it basically wants me, the camera itself has set up a Wi-Fi hotspot and it wants me to connect to that Wi-Fi hotspot in order to give it directions on what to do. So cool, I'm connecting to you. Don't be stressed. You're petrified. Okay. Hopefully it goes through with great. So it went to the next page, and right now I'm in the menu of the camera and I'm gonna configure my Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna give it the Wi-Fi code.
Wi-Fi connecting.
Okay, that was super fast. It says Wi-Fi connecting. Add success. And there is please select or enter your device name. I'll call this home and finish. Okay.
Wi-Fi connected.
That is great, thank you. And basically what it's saying right now, it's device says online on here, but I see it's okay, LAN online. Let's hit the, it's asking me to set up a password. Let's set a password. for better security, I did set a password. Let's click on the camera and voila, we got image and we got the image from the camera. And underneath you have basically it is so funny. Oh no, don't push your head too much. It is so funny. You have HD and standard definition options, and you can use that. I'm so scared. You can use the arrows to actually configure the movement of the camera. Hello, and then you can see myself talking to the camera, and it's basically, I don't know why people gave it like so low rating. This app was actually super intuitive and super fast to set up. There's also full screen mode. You can put your camera on full screen mode. If you have more cameras, you can put them on tile. You can also speak. Let's speak to the phone. Hello. So there's omnidirectional speaking, so you can hear. So I can hear the sound from the room by tapping on the sound on here, and I can speak to my microphone, and the camera can reproduce this sound inside the room. Which, you know, if someone is inside your room or you want to prank someone, hey, get out of my room and stuff like that. Okay, so we have Snapshot Record. That means you can install a TF card here, I think up to 64 gigabytes, and it can record or take a snapshot. What I want to do right now is basically I want to arm it. Can I arm it? Okay, there is a small button here that says arm or disarm, and I want to see if it's gonna send me any notification once it finds that something is moving. Did I set everything up correctly? From sound, it's not giving me any alarm or something else that someone is moving. Maybe it cannot. Oh yeah, we do have a message. We have an alarm message here, motion detection. We got it, but I really want to see how fast can it send me the motion detection. Okay, let's see how fast it can do that. It takes it like around 20 to 30 seconds to send you the alarm message, but it eventually does send you an alarm message on your email that you set up with the app, and it also sends you a notification on your phone that's, you know, someone is moving. So let's go ahead and disarm the camera. That is very, very nice. You can share your feed to a friend or something else. I guess if someone uses the same app as you can send your feed to them. And I'm stoked actually. This is a $19 camera and it delivers decent picture quality, and it basically does what it says. It's gonna do motion detection, it's gonna save your files if you want. It is truly amazing, and this thing is just $19. Do I recommend it? Yes. Just get it and play with it. Just keep it inside your house, your garage. If it breaks down, it's just $19. You will tell me, why don't you buy a more expensive camera for $40? Yes, I mean, I understand that it might be, the build quality might be better, it might not be that flimsy, but really it all comes down to what's inside the camera. And since those cameras are manufactured mostly in China, you never know that the better quality, build quality cameras, what kind of internals they have. I have had a little bit of experience with Wi-Fi cameras before, and I love that this one just uses one cable. There's no antenna sticking out. I don't know how far you can set it up, but in this case, the router is on the upper floor and it's performing greatly. So final thought is, I do recommend it. Just it's fun. It's fun. Just use it for your, you know, your garage, your kids' room to surveillance. It is astonishing. It's $19, and what can I say? If you can find this item, just buy it. And that concludes this video for today. If you like this kind of content, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel or like this video. Leave a comment down below what you want me to review next time. If you like my videos or what you don't like about my videos, it will help me out a lot. So thank you very much for being here. I will see you next time.